In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix the YouTube low quality problem on your videos. Now, what you might notice is that when you're trying to watch YouTube, the quality of the videos is not actually what you want it to be. So to fix this, what we want to do is we want to head over now to our YouTube. And then from here, you want to click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner. Once we click on this, you want to select settings in the top right hand corner. And then once we do that, what you need to do now is you want to scroll down until you see the option for video quality preferences. Once we click on this, you will now see an option for on mobile networks and on Wi-Fi. Now, the problem you may be having is that Wi-Fi may be dropping out once you're doing this. So what you want to do is you want to enable higher picture quality on both of the mobile networks and on Wi-Fi. So click on this, make sure you select higher picture quality on both of these. And then once you do that, that will then enable the highest quality possible on a specific YouTube video when you try to watch it. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix low quality on YouTube.